Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So today we're going to take a look at a one-person personal first aid kit. So this is a generic kit and is a really good base to build a first aid kit from. It could be that you're looking for something for the car, something for the backpack and trail, something for the home. This is a really good start, and what you can do is you can take this and supplement it as you get more training, more experience and more equipment. So this is from Reflex Medical, and as always I will leave all the links in the description below. So let's get into it. Okay, so first up you have an information booklet. It gives you some basic advice, what to do in an emergency, and the contents which should be included. You can see a couple of useful tips in case you blank in an emergency, or you just want a little bit of extra knowledge. Moving on, we have two pairs of nitrile gloves. These are blue, don't have black gloves, they don't show up blood very well. So you've got two pairs of nitrile gloves, PPE, obviously very important, preventing cross-contamination. Then we have a large dressing. So the pad size in this one is 18 centimeters by 18 centimeters. So that is going to cover a nice large wound. It's going to help you apply some firm direct pressure to it. Very good, always useful to have. You have a basic set of trauma shears. So these are designed not to damage your skin as you're going up and exposing a wound or cutting bandages. You have a set of 10 waterproof plasters. Probably the most used thing in any first aid kit. You have a triangular bandage. This thing has 1,000 uses, possibly 1,001. Plenty of videos online on the uses of the triangular bandage, not just for broken arms, but for a number of different things. So again, very useful to have in the kit. You have an emergency foil blanket, keeping someone warm and preventing them from going into shock. Very useful addition. Then you have some wound cleaning wipes. Again, this and the plasters pretty much the number one thing you're going to use in a kit for the majority of the time. So you get 4 of them. And then, last but not least, you have a resuscitation CPR face shield. So this doesn't provide 100% protection, but it's definitely better than nothing if you are giving someone mouth to mouth. At the time of filming, we have covered the current guidelines for bystander CPR is basically just do chest compressions, but something we may want for the future or a different time. And that's it. That is what is included in a one-person personal standard first aid kit. Now, like I said, the beauty of this kit is you can add to it. You know, as your training increases, you might decide to add a tourniquet, something like that. You might decide to add a better pair of shears. All depends on you, your skill level, and how much you're going to put into it, and what area you're going to be in. You know, if you're in the wilds, you may want to add some tick removal tools. If you work in nightclub security, you may want to add something like a bottle shower to provide first aid care in an acid attack situation. That's the beauty of this kit. It's nice, it's cheap, you've got room to add more if you want to, and you can build it as you want to. So thanks for watching. If you're interested in checking this out, I will leave a link in the description below to Reflex Medical. And as always, if you use the code SurvivalDads, you will save 10% off already great prices. So thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.